Welcome to a quick video on using the WebAmp tool from Andapt. Once you're registered for the tool, you can access it from webamp1.andapt.com or the Andapt website. In order to begin a design on WebAmp, the first thing you need to do is create a project. The project can be created in one of two ways. The first is to import a file in from WebAmp RD. I've previously already downloaded this file, and you can learn more about WebAmp RD from a separate training session video. Once the project is downloaded, you can then import this project into the tool. First thing you do is you go to Projects, as I did, to import project. Then you go ahead and select the directory where you've downloaded this to. I've downloaded this in this working directory here. Then you select the .json file. This .json file is the file that contains your project. So once you click Open, it'll populate the project name. You can update the name if you'd like, or you can use the name that's already provided to you. Once you click Import, this design is then imported into the tool, and you have direct access into the various power components that are used in this design. In this design, 3 synchronous buck regulators, a sequencer, and a external DRMOS controller is used. You have 2 additional power blocks available for LDOs or other load switches that might be included in the design, as well as other GPIO pins for other logic. In addition to this, the other way to create a project would be to create a project without importing a file. In that case, you can click Create Project. You type in the project name. You can type in Demo1, for example. Click Create. This will now create an empty project. Next thing you do is select the input voltage. This input voltage is used for thermal analysis, which will be showed later in the tool demo. So I'll select 12 volts, which is a standard, a common input voltage for power regulators. The next thing you'll do is select the platform that we're using. The current platform we're supporting is a Platform B device, the 8 MOSFET, which has 8 power blocks in it, and 6 amp current rating, and a 65-pin 5x5 QFN package. Once you select it, then the part will become visible on the screen, and this is the device you'd work with.